I bet you didn't know that a clean home can significantly boost your happiness. When our surroundings are tidy and organized, we feel a sense of peace and calm. Clutter and dirt can weigh us down, creating stress and anxiety. But when we take the time to care for our homes, we are also caring for ourselves. Creating a clean and comfortable living space allows us to fully relax and enjoy our lives. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an act of love and gratitude for the space that shelters and nurtures us. By approaching cleaning with a positive mindset, we can transform it into a mindful practice that brings joy and satisfaction. Let's explore some simple yet effective ways to revolutionize your cleaning routine and make your home a haven of peace and happiness. Imagine stepping into a home where every item has its place, surfaces gleam, and the air feels fresh and inviting. This can be your reality. With a few simple changes and a touch of mindfulness, you can transform your cleaning routine from a dreaded chore into a ritual that sparks joy. This is not about adding more tasks to your to-do list. It's about simplifying, finding joy in the process, and creating a space that truly reflects who you are and how you want to live. Let's embark on this journey together, discovering the magic of a clean and tidy home. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. One of the simplest ways to maintain a clean home is to incorporate quick cleaning routines into your daily life. These small acts of tidying, done consistently, can make a world of difference. Start by making your bed every morning. This one simple act sets the tone for a more organized and peaceful day. Wipe down surfaces in the bathroom after you use them, preventing the buildup of grime and water stains. Having the right tools can make all the difference. Invest in a good quality microfiber cloth, a spray bottle, and a multi-purpose cleaner that you enjoy using. Keep these items easily accessible, perhaps in a basket under the sink, so you can grab them quickly whenever you need them. In the kitchen, wash dishes immediately after meals, or if you have a dishwasher, rinse them and load them promptly. This prevents dishes from piling up and creating a sense of overwhelm. Take a few minutes each evening to tidy up any clutter in the living areas, putting items back in their designated places. These simple daily habits, practiced consistently, will keep your home sparkling and create a sense of calm and order. Creating your own cleaning solutions is a wonderful way to personalize your cleaning routine and ensure that you are using gentle, environmentally friendly products in your home. These DIY solutions are often just as effective as store-bought cleaners, but they are free of harsh chemicals and often more economical. A simple all-purpose cleaner can be made with a mixture of white vinegar and water. The vinegar's acidity helps cut through grease and grime while also disinfecting surfaces. For a fresh-smelling cleaning solution, add a few drops of your favorite essential oils. Lavender, lemon, and tea tree oil are all popular choices that offer both cleaning and aromatherapy benefits. Baking soda is another versatile cleaning champion. It can be used to scrub sinks, tubs, and countertops, as well as to deodorize carpets and upholstery. To freshen carpets, simply sprinkle baking soda over the surface. Let it sit for a few hours, and then vacuum it up. For stubborn stains, make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to the affected area. Let it dry completely, then scrub gently and vacuum away the residue. These natural solutions are not only effective but also gentle on your home and the environment. Section 4. Organization is magic. Tidy home, tidy mind. Organization plays a crucial role in maintaining a clean and serene home. When everything has its place, it's easier to tidy up and prevent clutter from accumulating. Start by decluttering your belongings, letting go of items that no longer spark joy or serve a purpose. This process creates space for the things you truly cherish and makes cleaning much more manageable. Once you've decluttered, designate a specific place for each item. This might involve investing in storage solutions like shelves, drawers, or baskets. Labeling containers can be incredibly helpful, making it easy to find what you need and put things back in their designated spots. In the kitchen, organize your pantry and cupboards, grouping similar items together and using clear containers to maximize visibility. In the bedroom, create a system for storing clothing and accessories, folding items neatly and arranging them in drawers or on shelves. Remember, the key to successful organization is to create systems that work for you and your lifestyle. Experiment with different approaches until you find what feels most intuitive and brings a sense of calm and order to your space. Section 5. Deep dive delight. Advanced techniques for a thorough clean. While daily quick cleaning and a well-organized home go a long way in maintaining cleanliness, it's also important to incorporate deep cleaning sessions into your routine. This involves tackling areas that often get overlooked in day-to-day cleaning, such as baseboards, windowsills, and behind appliances. Start by choosing one room to focus on and gather all the necessary cleaning supplies. Dust all surfaces thoroughly, paying attention to nooks and crannies where dust tends to accumulate. Use a vacuum cleaner with attachments to reach high corners, ceiling fans, and under furniture. For hard floors, mopping with a solution of warm water and a mild cleaner will remove dirt and grime, leaving your floors sparkling clean. In the kitchen, deep clean the stovetop, oven, and refrigerator, removing any spills or built-up grease. In the bathroom, scrub the shower and tub, paying attention to grout lines and faucets. These deep cleaning sessions, done periodically, will ensure that your home stays fresh and clean, preventing the buildup of dirt and grime that can make regular cleaning more challenging. Remember to approach these tasks with a positive mindset, perhaps putting on some music you enjoy or listening to a podcast as you work. Embrace the joy of cleaning. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a mindful practice, a way to show gratitude for the space we inhabit, and an opportunity to create a more serene and joyful living environment. By adopting a positive mindset and incorporating the tips and hacks we've explored, you can transform your cleaning routine into a ritual that sparks joy. Embrace the process of creating a clean and tidy home, and allow yourself to feel the sense of peace and satisfaction that comes with it. Remember, a clean home is a happy home, and by taking care of our surroundings, we are also taking care of ourselves. Let the joy of cleaning radiate through your home and your life.